Hello friends and welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen. I am your host Nancy and today I am going to show you how to make salsa verde with poblano peppers, which is basically green sauce with poblano peppers. So stick around, it's going to be delicious. Okay friends, right here is exactly what you are going to need to make this salsa. You're going to need about half an onion. You can use yellow or white. Right here I have 3 poblano peppers that I have roasted, deseeded, and deveined. Approximately 9 garlic cloves. And I have 4 large jalapenos, a bunch of cilantro. For this recipe, I am going to use a can of green tomatillos. This is a 14.4 ounce can of green tomatillos. I am using this one because my store was out of the fresh tomatillos. Let's not destroy the set. Especially if it's TBL in Mom's kitchen. My store was out of fresh tomatillos, which of course it is optimal if you can use fresh tomatillos. I highly recommend it. But okay friends, this is how we are going to start. I am going to start by frying my garlic, my poblano, and my jalapenos. I'm going to cut off the little tails on the jalapenos, and I am going to fry half of this onion, and we're going to put it in a blender with our can of tomatillos and season it. Put our cilantro and it will be super delicious. For this recipe, for the salsa verde, you do not have to use the poblano. I like to because it gives it an extra flavor. You can leave it out or put it in. And also on your chilies, you can use serrano peppers. I'm using jalapenos. You can use habaneros. Any type of hot chili will work for this salsa. So let's move on to the frying pan so I can get this fried up. Now let's move on over to the kitchen. Okay, we fried everything up. I have it in my blender. I am going to add probably about 4 tablespoons of water, my pepper, some salt, some chicken bouillon, and my bunch of cilantro. Let's try it. That's delicious. Okay, I added some 2 extra jalapenos because I like it extra spicy, so I like it spicy. Yeah, that's on point. That's it. It's ready. That's delicious. I highly recommend it. We're having tostadas tomorrow, and this is going to be the perfect salsa for it. Okay, friends, the salsa is ready, but here is an extra tip. If you like yours a little bit chunkier, just add a little extra cilantro, put it in there, and just give it a couple pulses. I'm going to do that, so let me show you how it works. That is it. Now comes the best part. We get to try it. Look at this beautiful salsa verde. I mean, it is delicious. It's got poblano, it's got spices, it's got jalapenos, onion, garlic. That's spicy. But this is not a salsa that I am making for chips and dip. This is a salsa that's gonna go on tacos. This is a salsa that's gonna go on the tostadas. It's gonna go on the tostadas tomorrow, so I wanted to have a bite and I want it to be spicy, and that is it. It's right on point. You have to try this salsa. That is it. Guys, this is delicious. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this delicious salsa. And don't forget to subscribe. Whew. For more delicious recipes. That's delicious. I gotta have some more. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I am releasing a new video. And see you on the next one.